Hi guys, what's up? It's Meg back with another video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. It is Monday. I really didn't do much today. It's already 1 p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna go see what I can get myself into. So, since I have nothing else to do today, I am going to take you guys to a really cool, dope photography location that I love that is around here. And of course, I have my rock star. I just realized this thing was in the shot. This does not look like the location I was going to, but hopefully I find it, because this is where the directions led me. Come on, bro. I need directions. Dude! What? This place is so freaking dope. I didn't even know that this existed here. And the funny thing is, I thought this was at least a half hour away from my school. This is only 15 minutes away. It literally took me 15 minutes to get here, guys. And I'm I just got some really dope long exposures of this dam right here. This has just really opened my eyes to exploring more. Look at this. And this is only 15 minutes from my school. Why have I not been here before? Goodbye. Goodbye, waterfall. Thanks for the lit Instagram pics.
Hello?
Hey, Mom.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? If I am at the lake on Alani Dam, do you know how to get to the bridge from there? The graffiti bridge?
Basically, make a left out of there and keep making right turns until you get on the other side of the lake. It's way at the other side. It's pretty hard to miss.
Yo, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye. Thank you guys for giving me those directions, because I have no idea where I'm going. Let's get this bridge. I'm sorry. I am so confused. Okay, number one, I never found that bridge. So I'm gonna have to show you guys another day when I have someone else who knows where they're going with me.
Let's take them back. Let's go! Yeah, I swear it's 19.
I have a lot of editing and homework and laundry to catch up on. I also want to go to the gym at some point later tonight. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Just remember that dope waterfalls equals dope long exposures. And if you don't know what a long exposure is, I will explain briefly. Long exposure photography is when you turn the shutter speed down all the way to 1 second, 2 seconds, 5 seconds. I think I was taking them mostly with 1 second. I'm not the greatest at this kind of photography. I'm still kind of dabbling in it a little bit. Still learning, so you might want to watch some other videos on this topic if you're interested in doing it yourself. I had nothing to do today, so if I didn't go do that, this video would just be me sitting in my room. No matter where you live, if you're in school, if you live in a small town, if you're still in high school, no matter what, go out and explore like I did today and go find something cool. Like I said, you may think you know an area really well, but there could still be some hidden gems out there, and you're not gonna find them if you're sitting in your dorm room all day.